Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. I'm your Russian American makeup and beauty addict. Привет! I like to buy and review inexpensive, affordable makeup and pass the savings to you guys. In this video, this is one of my monthly reviews. I love doing Boxycharm reviews because why not? I like this box and there are a few varieties. So if you guys are curious what I got and what I think about it, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific time. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and leave me a comment. Let's get right into this review. So you might recognize this look in a future video because I'm doing a couple of looks because we're going on vacation and really need to film stuff. So this is a Boxycharm review and this is a February Boxycharm. So the total value of everything is $186. Pretty good. But the problem is now they went digital, which is a good thing because we're not wasting paper on these little inserts. But now I'm getting emails with like 4 different inserts. It looks like this and you can see what's in there. So I got 4 of this. So in other words, you see what other people are getting. And now I'm like, you be. I'm just kidding, but really the other boxes are so much better. So I kind of got, well, to my point, in my point of view, I like more makeup than skincare. I do like skincare, but I kind of want to see makeup. So my last box was unbelievably great, but this box was like, eh. So, well, to each their own. I got some skincare. So let's get through this. The things I cannot show you in pointless is the Kate Somerville KX Active Concentrate Biomimicking Peptide Serum. It's a long name. So the serum retails for $98. What? So that alone is worth it, unless it doesn't work. I don't know, it's hard to review skincare because skincare you have to try for days, weeks. So it's a specially formulated, highly active concentrate to transform dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, blah blah blah. So it does feel nice on the skin. It's not super hydrating because it's a serum, so I need to moisturize over it. It looks like this. So it's very pretty. I can't believe how expensive it is. It's just crazy. So it looks like this and comes out like a little dropper. So it feels nice. I'm just not sure if it worth as $98 because I only used it like a few times since I got the box. So now we'll get into the next item is the facial radiance pads, and it's a help exfoliate, tone and brighten. So it has no alcohol in them, and this is First Aid Beauty. I like First Aid Beauty. I had a primer, like a little sample. It was real good. It was very hydrating. So it's pretty good, I guess. I used them a few times. Again, you can't really tell how well they work. So this retails for $16, still pretty pricey for 28 pads. So there's that. It's just a round pads, there's nothing special. And another thing that's not that exciting is Evio Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. And these are biodegradable. I didn't realize that. That's good. So these are made from hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrating. It's they're antibacterial and infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation, avoid irritation. Okay, I don't know. All this big hoopla about cannabis, I'm kind of not buying it, but whatever. I've used them a few times, like a couple, and they smell kind of weird. I don't know if I like it, but they're really, really soft and moisturizing. I don't think they remove my makeup better than my other makeup wipes, like any others. but I like to use micellar water the best, so it does not beat micellar water, but they're nice. And you get how many? 15. So for 15 wipes, you pay a retail $10. That's very pricey for only 15. I get my big ass package in Walmart for like 3 something, and there are like 60 of them. So, but I'm a cheapskate, so whatever. So this was nice-ish. And what else I got here? So the things I can test as makeup is Seattle London Everyday Bouquet Coconut Setting Powder. So this is supposed to be a long-lasting wear. Coconut fragrance. Can't wait to see that. A lightweight loose powder. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna test this. It looks nice. I like Seattle packaging. I like that brand. It's kind of nice. I have that blush from Boxycharm. It's a good blush. And we got this set of sponges. One of them is already wet, so I've moistened that. So you got 3, which I kind of like this. I like this sort of sponges because you can really get into the under eye. So I like to put concealer with that. And these were the same size. It's a lot. It really expands. So I kind of don't like sponges like this because they suck the foundation a lot. And usually I use a Juno, and Juno doesn't really take the foundation away. But we're gonna test this. So I already have primed my skin, and I used the e.l.f. Luminous Body Primer. So we're gonna be all luminous today. Let me zoom a little. So now we doing, well, let's do all luminous. So I have this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation, and this is like one of my current favorites. It's really beautiful. I have dry skin, and this looks beautiful on your skin and lasts a long time. I have a wear test on my channel, so you want to check it out. So this is classic beige, and I would say I'm light to medium, I guess. I always thought I was too light, but now if I get light foundation, sometimes for light skin tones, it's too light. So let me spatula this on. Again, I'm not a fan of the applicator, but whoa, well. Probably should remove these things. Alright, let's try this. Well, it's very nice and smooth. It feels nice on skin, I think. I mean the sponge. It does take away foundation. I see that already. I'm telling you, nothing compares to Juno. I like Juno the best. I really squeezed it. I mean, it's like damp. It's not wet. So it just does. That's the nature of the sponges. They take away coverage. Like I feel like I applied so much and now I want to apply more because it's already sucking everything in. I don't like this, but for the sake of this video, we're reviewing this. And the sponges are, I didn't tell you. Alright, the sponges are $40. Holy cow! Why are they so expensive? It's Luxy Beauty sponges. What in the world? And the Seattle London powder is $22. I don't know, for sponges, 3 sponges that expensive, kind of like, I don't know. And they're not that great either. But if you guys like this kind of soft sponges, you might like it. Because I just personally don't like them. Because I feel like I'll keep adding foundation forever. Because they just take away and take away and take away. So, I don't know. So I just finished blending and I'm gonna be honest, it looks nice. The way it blends, very smooth, very nice. Very glowy, but the foundation is good as well. But I still think Juno uses less foundation. I use way more foundation to get the coverage that I get from Juno. So it blends well, but sucks the foundation as usual. I don't see any difference between this and a dollar sponge I can get online from like AliExpress or something. Same difference. So I'm going to dry the concealer. And I think I'm gonna use this dry. I've been using dry sponge for under eyes concealer because I feel like it gives me more coverage. Either my finger or dry sponge. I don't like to use wet sponges, damp sponges. So let's try this. I'm using e.l.f. That's hydrating hammer concealer, and this is a light sand. I really like this concealer. These are my two new favorites, this and the new Revolution one. So it feels still soft, although it's dry. So let's see. Okay, I think it's good. I really like this one. Maybe I should try the other one dry as well for foundation. I'm telling you. You use them wet and just suck all the foundation in them. So you can use the butt of it, kind of push it in, and then at the very end to get into inside corner, in the corner. It's not bad. I have those EcoTools small little wedge kind of sponges. I think I like them a little better than this one. I don't know. I'm kind of a little underwhelmed. But again, everybody is different. What for me is not good, for somebody it might be the best. So don't take my word for it. If you got this in the Boxycharm, let me know how you like this. Because some people love this kind of sponges. So we got pretty good coverage. It looks nice, radiant. I mean, the products I love, so that's a big deal already. But I think the sponges are pretty good. I think I like them. I mean, they're good as they are. I mean, they're just sponges. To me, any cheap sponge works just as good. So if you guys want to try something nice, to me it's just not worth it. I mean, you can get them anywhere. A sponge is a sponge. I just don't get it. Except for Juno. Juno is so different, I'm telling you. I love Juno the best. So okay, let's try to set this. So I'm excited for this because I'm excited for coconuts. Let's open this up. I already took the protective seal off so I don't struggle with it. It's very subtle. Yeah, it does. It does smell like coconuts. That's not bad. Shake something out. It shakes out easily. I kind of like that. It's very subtle coconuts. So I'm gonna use the same sponge to set. So let's try this. It looks very white. I hope it's translucent. This worries me. I don't know if I want to put this on my eyes because I usually set my eyes under eyes something different. No, I think it's translucent. I think it is translucent. It's not bad. Okay, I set my under eyes with the same powder. I kind of went for it and I think I like it. It's very smooth and it's like ultra fine. My skin is so soft now. I'm kind of impressed. It's real soft. It's so super fine. I don't think I ever had a super fine powder like this. This is real nice. Coconut setting powder. I like this. It smells like coconuts, definitely does, but it's not overwhelming. It's like real subtle. And even the under eyes look very nice and smooth. Some more. Yeah, it looks really nice. My skin looks really smoothed out, and I think it does kind of blurs everything out. I think my favorite is Maybelline, that's Fit Me powder, and that one is nice, but I think this one, I mean, it's more expensive, obviously, but I think it's kind of better. We'll see. So let me finish my makeup, and I'll be back with my final thoughts about this Boxycharm box. So my makeup is done and everything went on nicely and smoothly over the powder. I think this is a real good powder. It really makes my skin look blurred. Literally real blurred. It might be the most blurring powder I own, but I don't own a lot of expensive makeup, so take this with a grain of salt, but this powder I think is the biggest win out of the box. I really love this. Everyday by K. And the coconut smell, good. Let me zoom you out. So what I'm thinking, it's not a bad box. I just kind of wish I got more makeup than skincare, although I do like skincare, but I could live without this. The wipes are just average, and the facial radiance pads, they might be good, but like I would rather have some makeup, but okay, can't complain. It's Boxycharm, it's good. This one, the peptide serum, I have a feeling it's gonna be good. I mean, it's $98 retail. I mean, it can't be bad, right? And the sponges are just all underwhelming. I'm just overall, I don't like sponges like this. They suck up everything. This one supposedly is good for contouring, but I guess you can, do that. But I don't bake, and it's bad. Baking is bad for dry skin, especially. I don't believe in baking. So this is nice. I think I'll try it wet next time. And this is just, I mean, it just sucks foundation. I don't like it. I might try this dry. Actually, it might work. So overall, it's not a bad box. So let me know, you guys, if you subscribe to Boxycharm, what did you get? Did you like it? I still love Boxycharm. I still like all the products they usually send me. So overall, it's not bad. So this is it for my review. Let me know what you guys think of these products. Do you have any of this? I have a feeling most of these are just exclusively Boxycharm, and sometimes I never even hear about the brand until I get it in Boxycharm. So this is it for this video. Like this if you enjoy, and subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. Leave me a comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!